Rabbit update here.
Yes, these are our rabbits.
This is the cage, the hutch I built to hold this this cage here, which is movable. Well, if it didn't have 25 pounds of rabbit in it, but it slides out of there, so it's a mobile cage. Basically just built a hutch around it. We got the kids' chinchilla in here.
What? The what?
Chinchilla, right? Isn't that how you say it?
I don't know what you mean. I don't know what chinchilla means.
That's a chinchilla rabbit.
Oh.
She's a pretty girl.
Yeah.
Pretty girl.
I see your hand in the camera. I'm watching the bunny. Let's look at this cute bunny. Take this off.
Oh, got it all open. Thank you. And this here. What's his name?
His name is Brownie.
Brownie. Well, it was Cupcake.
But now it's Brownie stuff. Cupcake's the girl name.
Go away, buddy. Yeah, because he was a girl, and so we thought he's a boy. So now he's a stud.
And here comes the Jackie.
Here's Jack.
The Jack in the box.
Well, I think either he didn't ever have any didn't get raised around people much, or somebody might have grabbed him by the ears, maybe.
Here,
he's real jumpy. So
here's Jack in the box.
and then we got our new hutch here.
Little rabbit.
And it's holding these two girls, so we get more. And they're kind of scaredy girls too. I noticed the older ones, when I get them when they're older, they seem to be more afraid. When you get them younger, they're always nicer. Oops. There's one already. She's going to try to get that one. This one's a little nicer. There's one of them that'll let you pet it. The other one, well, she just... Mackenzie, you can't slam that baby.
Alright. Oh my.
She's a scaredy girl.
Yeah, but she's not really a scaredy girl. Hi, Bunny. Bunny, move that door. That moves.
Not going to happen. Alright, kiddo.
Ooh.
Shut that up.
That bunny looks like it's going to bite me.
Cat's coming over here to
Scratch her claw.
help us out. Yeah, it was a pretty nice hutch. Lady built it. Some cabinets up here, some hay, some extra feeders and stuff. On my feeder off the side here. Had to put a few braces in it. She didn't secure the bottom very well, but oh, here's the rabbit tractor.
I'm going to go see that.
Just a pallet on top. And all this side wood here, all this is all pallet wood. And I just hold down the bungee and nothing crazy. You know, it's got an open bottom. And see, they do good. You gotta move it every couple hours. Depends on the rabbit. The two Flemish Giants, they'll dig a hole in a couple hours. So it just depends on where it's at. And some of them don't dig at all, so. And, then the wheels, they are about level with the bottom. They're just lawnmower wheels. Just ran a bolt into the 2x4. But it's been so dry here, we really don't have a lot of grass to feed on. But I'm running them over where I had some peas at, and I let grow up. They're kind of, see over here, kind of mowed over.